Hey everyone, welcome back to All About the Drive. Today I'm doing a Tappen 4-lane construction update as I drove through there on July 9th, 2026, heading from Vancouver to Calgary. So the first thing I've noticed along this project is on the right-hand side here coming up, there is a commercial vehicle scale / pull out. It was a big surprise to me. If you heard the video from the camera while we were driving through here, it's quite funny. Anyways, as being a retired truck driver, of course I notice this kind of stuff. So you can't see much. The no post is in the way, but right beside us to the right is where it is. They're probably going to use that to scale, chains, vehicle inspections, that kind of stuff. So we're coming down the hill here, and this used to be 2 lanes, which is now 4-lane, no post in the center. The speed limit is still 80 as this is still an active construction zone. It's not quite finished yet, but I believe that it will be finished by the end of this summer. It's nice to see it at this stage. At the bottom of the hill here, you used to make a left-hand turn into the residential area on the left. Now that's been blocked off. You cannot make a left-hand turn there anymore. Instead, you have to come up to this exit here, go around underneath, and go by the co-op on the left-hand side to get up to it. I think that was a really good design for it. New bridge here. It's nice to drive on. I couldn't believe it. I was surprised. It's been a year since I've driven through here, and I usually do a trip to Vancouver from Calgary about once a year, maybe twice a year. But when we went through last year, this was still a major construction zone. So, as you can see, we're coming past the railway tracks now. It's going to come back into 1 lane. I actually thought when the project was fully active that this was going to go right up to the top of the hill coming up here. But it seems that at the Esso station here, it comes back right here into 1 lane again. So they have more work to do in this section. Now, I'm going to let the video run a little bit here because I want to point out something that is the reason why I thought that they were going to 4-lane it all the way up to the top of the hill and then down to the bottom. They were doing a lot of blasting up here the last couple of years, and I wasn't quite sure exactly what they were doing there. Like I said, I thought it was a 4-lane extension from the Tappen, but the speed limit just went back up to 100 kilometers an hour. So we're coming up this little grade of a hill. There'll be a passing lane. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see where they've done some blasting. I don't know if the blasting here, they used the rock for the Tappen project. And it's actually future project. But right now, I'm a little bit confused. You can see here they've widened this. That's what gave me the impression that it was going to be widened in this part of the project. To the right here, you can see where the rock has all been blasted and it's just sitting there dormant now. That used to be a pull-out rest stop. So anyways, that's it for the Tappen 4-lane construction video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.